happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over frequently asked questions segment 26. But first, so if you've been around for a little bit, you should know how we do this. Y'all ask the questions, I try to answer them. I don't know everything, but I give it my best shot. Most of the time I can answer them, but sometimes I can't. And I call on your help to help us out with getting the answers for the questions that people ask and I don't know. So let's get into this one. The first question is from Justin Grubbs. He says, hey JP, I have a Sundown Saya 2500. I got it down for sound. I can't decide whether to do a single avatar or something like dual Sundown SAV2s. I'm not looking to enter any SPO competitions, but I want to be loud and sound good for daily banging. I would personally go with 2 subs. You're going to get 2 voice coils. You're going to get more motor force, in my opinion, and more cone area. So it's going to give you better longevity, and I think you'll like it a lot more. So that's what I would do. Next up, we have Emiliano Av. Hey JP, I'm thinking about getting a second JP8 and strapping them, but I'm confused as to how to fuse them. It says I need 220 amp fuse strapped. Would I need to fuse both power wires and use 2 110 amp fuses? Yes, that would be fine. You could use, or even a 150 amp fuse per run, but 110 would probably get you by. So anyway, that's what you would need to do those amplifiers strapped and fuse them properly. Next we have Fawaz Hussein. Hey JP, quick question. Would a ZV612 Recone kit fit in a ZV512 basket? Yes, it will fit in the basket, but if you're asking if a ZV5 or ZV612 Recone would work in a ZV5 subwoofer, like if it would actually fit, that I'm not so sure of, because usually they change the motor and stuff. So, but we sell both of those Recones, for ZV6s and ZV5, so there's no reason why you should be trying to do that. Just order the Recone from us, the exact one you need. So if you have a ZV5, order a ZV5 Recone from us and we'll get you taken care of. Up next we have Manuel Gonzalez. Hey JP, I have 2 Sundown XV3s on 2 CT Sounds 2300.1 strapped at 2 ohms. I did the big 3 upgrade and upgraded all my wires and fuses, but my voltage drops from 14.4 to 12.9 on 2 Headway 50 amp hour lithium banks on my stock alt. I bought a 320 amp alt. Do you think that will help the voltage? Yes, it will definitely help the voltage. You should do your alternator upgrades first. This should be your first thing that you do, in my opinion. Upgrade your alternator. So yes, get you an alternator from us at downforsoundshop.com. We recommend MechMan. If we don't offer one for your vehicle through MechMan, most of the time we can get one custom made for you via excessive amperage. We sell a ton of those as well. Up next we have Ada Changa France. Hey JP, love the videos. I'm planning on getting a JP83 amp for my single FI18. Bro, you trying to blow a sub up? You're probably gonna blow a sub up. But anyway, I'll answer your question. I have a 320 amp alt, but I'm not sure which lithium batteries to go with, as my goal is to have minimal voltage drop. I'm doing a single alt setup and I won't be able to run the car over 14.8 volts. Please help. With what you're telling me, you should be good on a single Down for Sound JP40 battery back there in the back by the amplifier. If your alternator is actually putting out 320 or more amps, you should be good there. You can always monitor your voltage, make sure you're not dropping below 12.5 or 13 volts. Again, once you're if you're running a battery bank and you turn your key forward and it's at 12.8, that's probably your float voltage. So anything above that is your alternator doing that voltage, say from 12.8 to 14.8. Until you get down to your 12.8 and less, you're not really getting into your battery bank. So when you get into your 12.8 and less, that's when, or under that, that's when your battery bank is stepping up and doing some work for you. Up next we have the Clap. How do people come up with these names on YouTube? Alright, Clapper. Hey JP, I had a question. What's the best way to get that trapped bass from out of your trunk besides letting the seat down? Should I just say screw it and buy a hatchback, or just cut the carpet? A couple of different ways of going about doing that. Obviously, you could buy another car hatchback. Hatchbacks are known to be the loudest vehicles. The easiest way of getting loud is a hatchback. Some people will, like, you have the armrest that goes down, and you can obviously open that little hole up if there's a hole there. If not, you can cut a hole right there, make a little port through so you can get more bass out of there. Other people, they will cut, so if your seat goes back and there's like a deck lid back there, some people fill it up with 6x9s or whatever type of speakers back there. But also people, if they want more bass, they will make a big cutout in there, and I've seen all kind of different stuff. Some people just cut the hole in there and let the bass come through. They don't trim it off or finish it or anything. But if you want to do it nice, you can cut a design in the top, and then you can do some sort of mesh grill over the top so it looks real nice. This will help you get more sound, obviously bass, like through that area, and and you don't have to modify your seats or something like that. It's kind of vehicle specific. Like these cars a lot of them are different, but that's a couple of different ways you can go about doing that. Anyway, that's the last frequently asked question for this segment. Remember, if you have any questions for me, you want to talk to me, you want me to answer your question or get a high chance of me answering your question, just put it in the comments below and I'll try to answer it for you if I can. Don't forget about the down for sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. We have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab, so be sure to check that out, and we will see you in the next one. Later. Guys, if y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.